Your words during my health challenges keep echoing in my ears that I could not stop crying. Kemi Afolabi pens touching tribute to the late Murphy Afolabi. Actress Kemi Afolabi has penned a touching tribute to her late colleague and friend Murphy Afolabi, who passed away in May. In a lengthy post on her Instagram page, she recounted her fun times and moments as she noted how they both braced each other's movie productions. She noted how the late actor was a staunch admirer of her craft and would always turn up early for any of her events. She revealed that his words during her health challenge kept echoing in her ears when he passed, and she could not stop crying. She remembered how he would always inform her of how he convinced people to join him in praying for her. Hailing him, she complimented him for being the handsome fashionista, actor, storyteller, producer, and director of all time. She, however, admitted that they had their differences that they could not agree on, but he was so sweet to her and always found ways to mend their problems. I remember you, Omo Baba mi, like we fondly call ourselves, because we share the same surname, even though we are not from different states and not related by blood. Murphy, I graced many of your productions as you did mine. We became friends because time proved to me that you have been a staunch admirer of my craft since I joined the industry. Always on time to support me, post my works and birthdays, celebrate with me and every positive news there is about me. Your words during my health challenge kept echoing in my ears when you passed and I could not stop crying. You would call me and tell me, Omo Baba mi, kò síkú lójú ẹ, that you got some people on board praying especially for me. I could feel the fear in your voice then while you tried to encourage me. The handsome fashionista, self-confident, intentional storyteller, actor, producer, and director of all times, Murphy Afolabi, that I know will never want to die untimely. So sad you bid the world goodbye too soon. As a colleague, you were the first to ever call me excitedly back then to inform me that I've been nominated for an award in Canada. You made sure I submitted with everyone going on that trip. It is how you always try to carry me along in anything happening in the association for me. Although we have our differences in some areas that we could not agree, you were a sweet soul who always found ways to mend problems that could cut distance or malice between us. I'm forever saddened that I will never get to see you in this life again. Maybe in another life, hopefully. Till we meet to part no more. Olawale, keep resting in your Lord bosom. Similarly, Bimpe Akintunde had recounted her moments with Murphy Afolabi, the Yoruba movie star who once worked for Murphy Afolabi, noted how he paved way for her and supported her despite their sore relationship. She recounted how she snubbed him at an event, but he did not hold it against her. Recalled that Murphy Afolabi died in May after sleeping and hitting his head on a hard surface in his bathroom. The singer was buried a day later and was given a befitting burial by the Yoruba entertainment industry. Thank you for listening to us, and please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. Thank you.